everyone, welcome back to 14-Day Pilot Flight Academy. I'm Gumagi and today we're gonna discuss about unboxing the BOSE Proflight Series 2. I'm really excited and really happy to have this headset. Previously, I'm using the BOSE Proflight Series 1 and also the A20. I'm the BOSE lover, and as a flight instructor and Citation 5 jet pilot, I always inspire people to always have the best headset, especially when you fly around the busy airspace. You want a headset with good noise cancelling, and I really love to hear my own voice in a solid way. I mean, when you hear your voice in the solid, great quality, that will make your flight even better. It's like a psychological thing, but I feel that way. Whenever I plug to my headset to single engine airplane, when I'm teaching the students, I have to talk a lot because teaching is talking about the maneuvers, what to do in the airplane. So I really need a headset with a very solid and crystal clear voice, and also the good active noise cancelling. And previously I used the BOSE A20, and then I moved to Proflight Series 1 since I also fly the Citation, and people say that the BOSE Proflight Series 1 is suitable for the turbine airplane, but I feel happy to fly the single engine propeller, the piston airplane with that. And now I cannot hold myself to buy this upgrade, the BOSE Proflight Series 2. I just got it yesterday in Aircraft Spruce, and thank you to BOSE to produce a very great quality product. And I always recommend my students, I always use this. I put BOSE into my vlog because I want you to experience the best quality of your pilot voice and when you're talking with the ATC. So let's get going. Let's unboxing this BOSE Proflight Series 2. Alright guys, now we're gonna do an unboxing of BOSE Proflight 2, and here we got BOSE Proflight Series 1. I already used this for a year and I'm pretty happy with it. That's why I buy the update version, the Series 2. So basically they have the same box, okay? It's pretty much same. It's a beautiful box. Let's open the Series 1 first of this BOSE. This is the BOSE Series 1. And get ready, this is the BOSE Series 2. Ta-da! Wow! So the main difference is the BOSE Series 2 has a special place for the headset over here, and on the mic itself there's a control to twist the mic boom here, but this is not. So it's a little bit hard in the BOSE Series 1 to adjust the position of the mic, but in the Series 2 they have like a wide marker here, and there's a little wing here to twist the mic for adjust that into your mouth. And let's see what is inside the BOSE pouch here. We got this rubber to hold the headset, and we also have this earplug. There are two earplugs inside. They give us an energizer. And what is inside the BOSE Series 1, because I never used this as well, so it's like a brand new too. And the cable is big, right? The cable is big. The remote as well, actually this works so well. Then let's open this. Now I open it, one, open it two. And there's a special place for the earplug. One, two. Yep. So here we are guys, the BOSE Proflight Series 2 with very small cable. That's the Series 1 and this Series 2. Like I said, I'm BOSE lover, and this is $1,000 plus. It's really worth it to buy. Let's get a try. So you twist this left, right. For a new user, you may need to find the best place for adjusting this. and you make sure that the white dot is facing to your mouth. So it feels so different, it's lighter. And make sure this ear plug is attached to your ear properly. And the cable is so small, it's so light here. Of course, there's a jack, the standard jack for general aviation. And also you can put this in 737, Airbus, or Citation, or any turbine plane. Let's get going. I'm gonna try this in the Duchess, okay? Hope you enjoy. And let's hear how great the sound quality on the BOSE Proflight Series 2. Okay everyone, so here we are in the cockpit with the BOSE Pro Series 2 Proflight. So let's start this beautiful Duchess. This is the checklist from the POH. Okay, fuel pump is on, prop clear. Clear to the right, to the left. Start. Clear left. Okay, so here we are with the BOSE Proflight Series 2.
Echo Zulu at this signature east, thank you, Alpha.
And there's a button there.
7 Echo Zulu.
Center ground, Duchess 15 uniform, signature west, request taxi with Alpha.
Duchess 15 uniform, finance ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Alfa Romeo.
34 left, Alpha Romeo, Duchess 15 uniform.
Okay. Flying the twin engine, you have to really concern about the preparation. When you taxi, we do not taxi with the brake. Brake will be the last option. And for the Duchess, I will use the crossfit selector fuel for taxi, and then meanwhile I will keep holding it. Just wait until 1 minute, make sure the fuel selector from the crossfit works well, just in case you will need it in case of emergency. But why I have to hold, because I have to remember that I'm going to put it back to on. Alright. And we can taxi with the differential power.
Penang Star, Duchess November 15 uniform at Romeo 34 left, request left crossing departure for maneuvering Chatsworth.
Duchess 15 uniform, runway 34 left from the full length, clear for takeoff. That's the leaving 1800, left crosswind is approved.
Full length, 34 left, clear for takeoff, turning after 1800. Duchess 15 uniform.
There's a procedure that takes you out to the north in VFR conditions, and you can pick up IFR with SoCal once you get to 6,000 if you can maintain terrain and optical departure.
Alright,
let me know if you can do that.
We can certainly do that. We can do a 180 depart from Quebec if it helps.
November 5040, Mike negative. Yours number 3 out there for the departure.
great.
So let's go with change your initial heading to 340.
release.
The rest of your route remains unchanged.
Heading 340 and the rest route unchanged. Force your mic.
And the departure frequency is 120.4.
20.4, force your mic.
Tower 319 Tango, bound landing. November 319 Foxtrot Tango, Van Nuys Tower, continue along the 118 freeway and left traffic runway 34 left. You can start your downwind turn in about another 2 miles. Just turn out fast to the east now.
The BOSE Proflight
Make sure you turn base north.
works so well, even though this is not a turbine airplane.
Float up and left.
Make the short approach, runway 16 right, clear to land.
I really love this headset.
What's that for 9 Foxtrot Tango?
Cherokee 9 Foxtrot, make sure you point directly towards the airport. I'm trying to put you in front of the King Air on the westbound.
Okay, a little review for this headset. It's even lighter than the version 1. I don't even feel I wear the headset.
That's amazing. And the noise cancelling works better. I put now at high noise cancelling, and it's almost same with the A20. The A20 maybe works a little better because it's cover all the ear, but this headset is way better than the version 1. I really recommend this BOSE Proflight for everybody who wants to get a better bit on their head. It's not even tiring to wear this headset. If you have a long journey or have like accelerated training for several hours a day, I really recommend this. Great job, BOSE.
Thank you.
I feel really happy because the voice is crystal clear.
That's the 267, number 2, follow Falcon on 8 mile and a half final, runway 34 left, clear to land, caution, wake, turbulence.
Alright, you're done.
Banana Foxtrot Tango, number 3, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Number 3, clear to land, 31 and Tango.
3 green.
5 uniform, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 34 left, 15 uniform.
Engine speed 80 knots.
Status 28, start that base turn now.
Okay, turning base now, 434 left, status 48.
And we have a tailwind.
November 586, Whiskey Juliet, enter left base, runway 34 left. Number 6 Whiskey Juliet, turn about 10 degrees to the right to avoid the Burbank localizer.
10 degrees to the right, 6
Okay.
Number 15 uniform, turn left at taxiway hotel, then ground point 7. You're done for the day, correct?
Yeah, we're gonna do some cross country after this. Done with the traffic pattern. Thank you very much, sir.
Number 15 uniform, roger.
Okay. So they're so busy, but they're really accommodating.
And just
We're gonna stop here.
Climb.
Van Nuys ground, Duchess 1 uniform at hotel, taxi to Signature West.
Duchess 15 uniform, Van Nuys ground, taxi parking via Alpha.
Parking for Alpha, Duchess 15 uniform. So that's it, everyone. I really love this headset. I really love this plane. So for you who wants to get this BOSE Proflight or try it at least, I really recommend that. And thank you for watching 40-Day Pilot Flight Academy.
November 226.
Subscribe, share to your friends, and fly together with us. Okay?
Inbound to Signature West.